Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews and smart product choices. Today, we're taking a look at the best moisture problem solution basement dehumidifier you'll ever need. Introducing the Fonday Rechargeable Silica Gel Dehumidifier 500 grams by 2 packs. Whether you're dealing with a damp garage, a musty closet, or stubborn humidity in your car or basement, this product is engineered to solve it efficiently and safely. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Fonday dehumidifier may look like a simple set of silica gel bags. But the science and engineering packed into these reusable pouches are what set them apart. Each bag contains 500 grams of 100% A-grade silica gel. That's the same high-quality moisture absorber trusted in industrial settings. With 2 in the pack, you're getting a full kilogram of moisture-fighting power. These bags are capable of absorbing up to 35% of their own weight in moisture. That means each 500 grams bag can absorb up to 180 grams of water vapor from the air around it. That's especially useful in enclosed spaces like closets, RVs, gun safes, and storage bins. Anywhere you want to avoid mildew, musty smells, or mold buildup. Now, what really sets Fonday apart is how easy it is to reuse. Most disposable desiccants are, well, disposable. But with Fonday, once the beads have soaked up moisture, you don't throw them out, you simply reactivate them. Just pop the bags in a microwave for 5 to 10 minutes at 700 watts, or place them in a conventional oven for about 30 to 60 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The beads will turn from orange back to their original dry color, letting you know they're good to go again. And yes, that orange color isn't just for looks. These are color-indicating silica gels, which means you can always tell when they've reached their capacity and need recharging. No guessing, no waiting until it's too late and mold has already set in. They're also completely safe. The Fonday packs are cobalt chloride-free, which means no toxic blue dyes. They're powder-free, health-safe, food-grade, REACH and RoHS certified, and DMF-free. So if you need to store delicate items like electronics, documents, leather goods, or even food-related items, you can do so without worry. The packaging is another thoughtful touch. Each 500 grams unit is double-sealed and individually wrapped. This ensures that no moisture is absorbed before you actually start using the bags. It's smart, efficient, and saves you from wasted product. You might be wondering where exactly you can use these. Think bigger than just your basement. These silica gel bags are ideal for cars during the rainy season, cupboards with little airflow, boats that see humid storage conditions, RVs in long-term storage, and even inside gym lockers or shoe cabinets. Fonday promises durability, reusability, and efficiency in one simple product. And with a fast and responsive customer service team, they've built trust in their brand beyond just performance. So to wrap it up, the Fonday Rechargeable Silica Gel Dehumidifier offers top-tier absorption capacity, true reusability, and chemical-free safety. It's not just a dehumidifier, it's peace of mind, especially for anyone battling moisture in small or medium-sized spaces. If you're looking for a smart, safe, and long-lasting solution to humidity problems, this one is absolutely worth your consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest, detailed reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay dry and stay smart.